Yeah, hi everyone. We're just at the wipe off stage now. So I'll show you how I do it. A lot of times wiping off is not always exactly the same. It depends on your tile. Like this is a matte finish. Other tiles I've showed you in previous videos, some they're very shiny, so you just wipe them off, you let it dry. This is a sort of a matte finish. I don't need to use a grout stick. I don't need to use a grout stick and do all my lines. The way this tile is, it's bang on, just with the sponge, with the washboard. A little bit of pressure. Always keep your sponge clean. You don't have to go at an angle, just go whatever floats your boat, it doesn't matter. I'm using a little bit of pressure to wipe this off because it's a matte finish. Shiny ones I was showing you the other day, don't use any pressure at all. So it depends on what tile, what texture you're wiping off. Shiny, matte finish. Some tiles are textured, whatever you're using. You'll suss it out, I'm sure. Hot chili. Okay, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you would. Yeah, be very careful. I just noticed a little bit of water in my joint, so try and keep your sponge, because if you have too much water it will run and it'll push the grout out. So you've got to have it pretty dry. Wring it out well. Okay everyone, thumbs up, press the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Bye.